Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Monday, July 15, 2024. Right now it's 10 p.m. So Sunday, apparently, when we look at the opening bar, that's a pretty wide. It's like a 12.5, and after that it came down and but have been like staying within that opening field, and also is kind of above the middle of Friday. So later it is able to kind of like stabilize at the bottom there, and then seen it steadily kind of moving up, uh, and it moved higher overnight. Well, opening here, like first is like what this is like a 7:30. Forgot what is that, but it seems like it started kind of the big retrace and coming back down, and here is yeah, later kind of say 8:30. Seems like 8:30 also have some stuff here, but as we can see here, the market open is it opened at like it gap up. It's not a true gap, but it opened up like a 22.81. It almost get to this 56.47 level, and I guess we can say that's really close enough. This is the high bar here is a 56.46.74. That's I would say that's really less than 2 points, and later it come back down and hit the opening zone on the downside here, and also this is another important level here. So it hit down here, and then basically it was able to kind of like stay up. And by the way, this is the high between the middle of the high and previous day's close, so it apparently stay above this level. So later it started kind of going back up, and as we can see, kind of one hit and then another hit, and basically here is keep hitting, another hit, another hit, another hit. And it's interesting that it went up to 56.66, and the range of a Friday actually is like a 65 point something. So it's kind of right about that the range above this 5600 level, and then it kind of feel like a 49th, and honestly the sign like this, it slipped through here and then really could not get back above there. This is a really bad sign. I would say I got confused by this another hit up here, and thinking that it should not be kind of, if say it's so bearish, it would not be kind of hitting up here. But I guess it would make sense that later hitting up here, it should not hitting down here again. But the fact that it hit back down here again, even though it come back, it's kind of like a probably between here and here, kind of above the middle. But basically the rest of the basically is a sequence like low and low high. So example, every time that it kind of making the new low here, it come back and hit the lots of time it kind of not like every single time, but it's kind of like be able to hit up here as well. So and here's the last one is like it actually also hit on the upside twice, but it seems like it's so bearish and it continued to slam down and it went down to this what the make a new hit, two hit down here, and here certainly is pretty convincing. That's 56.25. That's the almost like that's the place that it's able to stop, and it came back up here. The thing is that 56.23, that's like the middle level of Friday. So yeah, it's so convincing that it could come back and be able to kind of get back to the middle, but I think that move did not quite get to the middle. So you have to go to here like a 56.46 level to get back to the middle, and then the things kind of come in and kind of repeat again. It have another slash down, another slash down. It's kind of like a 49th, like 1 2 3 4, and very quickly it dropped all the way to the Friday's closing level, and then only seen it to coming back and later close this at like a 56.31.22 level. So it's kind of at the quarter above this low here. It's fascinating. So looking at today, the futures market opened up kind of like a pretty upbeat, and it just came down here a little bit, and it seems like this is the bottom. Like basically this is the middle of the opening field. So it seems like this is kind of like the middle. It could be overnight and continue to go up from here. And so today the total move is like 52.19, and tomorrow, yeah, for sure, yeah, it's able to move 52 points, and be conservative. It should move on at least 26 points. If we said 26 points, we are talking about 56.58. Basically, it's a kind of 56.60 level, and yeah, right now market already moved like 10 points already, so that would be kind of pretty easy target. We shall see like what's going to happen like overnight. Yeah, I do feel like it could be kind of more going up, but if say it go below this like a 56.85, that would be likely going to hit this 56.82 level, and who knows, it may come back down to hit this level before going higher. We just don't know. Okay. Let me quickly go through the calendar for Tuesday. So Tuesday, first is at 8:30 have the retail sales. It seems I also have import export data, and then 8:55 that's a red book, and then 10 o'clock that's business inventories, housing market index, uh, yeah, retail inventories information. 11:30 there's some like treasury bill auction. 2:45 there is a speech from Fed Kakula, and after the market closed at 4:30 there's like an API crude oil stock. That's a economic data like a calendar for tomorrow. So it will be interesting to see how things are going to go, and it's already ridiculous today's move. It went all the way up there and then gave back everything. So I guess tomorrow, if it going to move up again, then probably likely going to stick. We shall see. That's all I have to share with everyone. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.